Hey, today we're going to be working on a modern Ashley furniture headboard. It was broken during installation. One of the posts were put on and it fell over with one post on and broke the headboard piece off. This has got a good chunk out of the side. And it's a good piece here, good slice in the back. Kind of get the idea. All right, I'm gonna lay it down and glue it and bring you along. All right, let's go. All right, we're back. Okay, I just have it sitting out here in the back because my shop is kind of a mess right now. This way I'll just show you what I'm gonna do to get this going. This is just paper. And what I'm gonna do is put this back in here. It fits really nice. This I got some boards and I put some frog tape on one side because I'm going to use this because I'm going to fill it with glue. White glue is the best for it. This is what I've used in the past and I've experienced really good results. So this one's going to go over this, and when I push this down, this is flush. And I'm going to clamp it here and here. And then if I go around to the other side, I'm going to take this piece and go up underneath, and you can see where I'm missing a whole piece there. I'm just going to put this right here and then clamp it, and it's going to keep it straight pretty much. You're going to see on the side right there where I'm going to be clamping it up here. So let's dry fit it, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So this is pretty much set up already. So this will go here. And I just get a few of my pressure clamps. I don't need anything really heavy. Okay. And what I'll do, I'll put a couple extra pressure clamps after I get it on. Put them like right here on the side. Kind of hold it down, but once I get the other board on, let's see if I have enough room. Okay. Right here is where it's going to need to go. As far as I can there. Okay, I got one more for over here. So this is. This way I can assure it's going to be good and pushed together. I could have one more in there. I think it'll be fine because all these edges, are all down really good. So basically, that's what it's going to look like. So let's do it. The reason I put the frog tape on here is so that the glue, when it dries, it doesn't stick to the wood. And I pull the board up, and all this is stuck to the board. Put this down here and I can break the board real easy from the tape from here and just clean this up. Put under here to kind of the glue don't make a mess because it's going to be pouring everywhere. All right. day. Get all these clamps off. Had a little bit of a glue spillage, but see how the tape doesn't stick to it like the wood. I've had the wood stick to this, and then when I pull it up, it's pulled up a piece of the actual item that I was gluing. This is nice and flat. Yeah, this one's gonna have a lot too because of these. It's stuck to the tape. Man, my shop is loaded up right now with stuff. Otherwise I'd be doing it in there. Okay. Okay. It's not all the way dry, but it's dry enough I can kind of. I just covered this up, put the blanket over it, I taped it, and then I sanded the stuff down really quick and gave it this coat of blonde. I use a blonde because when it's dark and I'm trying to match colors, the blonde gives me an even palette to start with as far as adding colors to it. Okay, now I just put a little bit more of a plastic wood. And this plastic wood dries rather hard. I'm surprised. Okay. Now I've pulled back the tape. I've sprayed it with some Mohawk toner, some dark honey oak, and trying to achieve this color that's in underneath here, this light color. Needs to be a little bit redder, but it was just an underneath color. And I also found out when I sprayed on there, what showed up, it needed to be sanded a little bit more. So that crack right here showed up, so you can see by the difference in everyone you can see it. So just touching this up, and then I'll take the grain with a brush in the either dark walnut or black, and I'll paint the green in here after I get a good base coat of that color down on there. This hasn't dried yet, but I used a little bit of stain over the top to give me some wood grain, and it needs to dry, and then I need to put a coating or a surface coating on it. So there we are. better. Kind of dulled it out with a little bit of paper or a pad so it isn't so shiny. That's the back, so as long as it doesn't catch your eye. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.